In this episode of Beardchanics Garage, we install and review a kit to wrap up your key. Alright, so this kit will work for any key that is that shape. So that's at least Audi A3, S3 and RS3 8V. This is not proper carbon fiber, this is just a cheap kit from Amazon. I've put a link in the description. As you can see here, it's just plastic. There are multiple options, so you can get those in just plain colors, black, and everything else. As you can see from the inside, there is no tape. They actually just clip on, and what they do is they use some of the edge on the shape of the key to actually lock themselves on. So let's put it on. Like we said, all we have to do is literally put it in place, and then we push until we have some clips. Look, it's not going anywhere. That's how it looks at the front. Let's put the back in. Again. And there we go. Nice and easy. The fitment is fine. And it's not moving. I've actually test fitted it first because I thought, no 3M tape inside like a lot of those things, and I actually struggled to remove it. So I think it's clipped, but it's actually nicely clipped in there. Nice to hold. There again, not proper carbon fiber, but have a browse, have a look. You will probably find that in true carbon fiber. The link in the URL, these ones are like, you can have that style, white, black and red. But it's on Amazon, so you just go in the suggestion. They also do covers in leather, which is a bit different. Personally, I liked it. The one thing I'm kind of disappointed is, if you followed some of my other episodes, then you will know that, I'm not a big fan of having the logo everywhere, so I would have preferred to have it filled. And also, there is another issue, is that I found that when my key was still on the keyring I was using was actually stopping me from setting it up properly, because basically the thickness of the cover reduces the gap here. So basically the ring you can then use in here need to be thin enough so that it can move around without actually rubbing on this. It wasn't the case with the keyring on mine. And here again, I did, because you've added some thickness to it, you can see there is not much out of the button that actually pops around. So you kind of have, the feeling is that, you might need to push slightly more in, if you know what I mean, because on the surface, it feels like you've pressed it a lot, but actually you haven't pressed it that much yet. I mean, overall, for the low cost it is, it does change the look of the key quite dramatically. To some extent, a bit of a shame that here the little bar in the middle of separation were not actually covered by the kit. I think that would have been a nice touch, bring a bit of carbon fiber in there. After, if you want to customize the keys, you can also get stickers for those. And that was it, guys. If you've seen the previous carbon episode, we've done the side mirror, we've done the trim. On the trim, if you want an update on that, I'm still waiting for the replacement kit. So far I'm still running with only one door panel done and the rest is still not done. So yeah, I thought I'll give that a try, it's quite nice and cheap, and makes a bit of a difference. Actually feel quite nice in the end compared to the feel of the normal key. But anyway, if you want to see more small videos like that or more S3 content, go check out the upload section, subscribe, give us a like, give us a comment if you're already a subscriber. It helps us get there, and see you in the next video.